Conversation with God this morning. I was wondering if this lifestyle was still for me. Could I accomplish something that seems so promising? Contradictions. In Jesus' name, it ain't perfect, but that's how we living. Be a man so I can scratch that off my mother's wish list. Saturday morning, door to door, me and my brother witness. A lot coming up, city changing. Heard they killing strangers out in Camelot, where they ain't saying a lot, so don't get buried in that sandbox. Good thing I had Pop show me the ropes. Then I tug of war, feeling like I only seen results, cause I struggle for it. Ex-girl see me now, she be like, run Forrest. Wrote my name on a dollar bill. Dropped out of school, now I drop jewels and rock jewelry. I can't see the change, but they say I ain't who I used to be. Now that's from me to you, or you to me. Now who am I? Nobody until they die. So you won't be lonely. I'll meet you at the crossroads. I'll meet you at the crossroads, yeah. And we're gonna miss everybody. And we're gonna miss everybody. You won't be lonely. I'll meet you at the crossroads. I'll meet you at the crossroads, yeah. And we're gonna miss everybody. And we're gonna miss everybody. Conversation with Pop this evening, who said life would be easy. I've been still battling demons, trying to build my foundation, and I still ain't found myself, but I stay patient. And the passion for myself, I try to reflect back on my neighbor. Just cause you don't understand me, that don't make you a hater. You lost in your situation, circumstances what you made it. Man ignorant to the fact, women is still degraded. Come from a broken family, families like the Brady's ain't been around since the 80s. Teenagers having babies, government trying to spit on our graves. This what you made us, meditating and praying. Will somebody come and save us?
Что мы сегодня делаем?
Катаемся на каяках.
Вау. А куда мы сегодня поплывем?
Мы поплывем сегодня на затерянный мир.
Вау. А как ты понял, что?
Просто рыжая, блядь, если ты чё? Грюша. Жо, ну мокро, давай.
It's like that. Yeah. It's like that.